Here is the Olympus AF1 twin overall conditions. And here is the battery compartment. Open it. Okay, then we pull out the orange ribbon. And using two CR123A battery, then we just put accordingly. Okay. Make sure that the battery is all like above the ribbon. So when we want to replace the battery, we just pull the ribbon will do. Okay, close it. It's on, but never mind. Load the film first by pulling this button to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. And here's the film. About the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure the motor have it into the center part of the canister. Okay, slide into it, press it inside, and pull the film to here. Yeah, you will see here got the orange line. Then we just pull until there will do. Okay, and we just close it. When we close, make sure that your film is flat like this. Close it. It will lock. When it stop, slide to open it. Here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. And here is the shutter button. Here is the tele and the white lens, like switching the lens, which I will say is like zoom in and zoom out. You can look into the viewfinder. Okay. You'll find out at the center point here, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay. If it doesn't blink, click it. When it have the orange light, which means that it will have flash. While now it's only the green light, means that it won't trigger the flash. Then this one is the zoom in. You can see like this. Click it, it will zoom in. Click again, zoom out like that. Zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so it's just like switching these two lenses. Then here's the flash setting, but I would recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Then this one is continuous shooting, which is like keep shooting it if you didn't release the shutter. Like that. Then click again. This one is timer. Timer also same. Aim to the object you want to focus, half press and press it. Here you have a red light will light up, means that it start counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. So when it's almost, it will start blinking. Yeah, like that. Then you just shoot. Okay. Then the overall is like this. This one is off the flash, fill in flash, which is like force flash okay, and auto. When you didn't use it, slide it, then it will off. Open it, then it will on, like that. When you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.